Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss some word problems on numbers. So let us discuss first the basic concept behind these word problems. We have two types of problems, mainly first is digit problems and second is problems on the fraction. So let us take an example of a digit, a two-digit number. Suppose I have a 53. 53 is a two-digit number where this 3 is known as a unit digit and this 5 is known as tens digit. Now if we want to write this number 53, it will be written in this form, expanded form 10 times of a 5 plus 3 plus 3. So that's how this number is 53 written as. So if I am going to consider a unit digit as x and tens digit as y, so in generally we can say that this number will become 10 times of a tens place, which is y, and unit digit is x, 10y plus x. So this is the general form that how a two-digit number can be written. So in most of these problems, we have to consider unit digit as x, tens digit as y, then the two-digit number become 10y plus x. If we interchange the digit, then the new number will be written as 10 times of x plus y. And the second concept here we'll discuss here about the fraction. In fraction problems, we consider the numerator supposed to be x and in denominator as y, and then the fraction become x upon y. Now here one important thing to understand here, if it is problems on the rational number, then the x and y they can be negative. So let us discuss the problems. In this problem, the first problem, the sum of a two-digit number of a two-digit number is 9. Now here, the sum of a digits of a two-digit number is 9. First of all, we just read this statement here. The sum of a digits of a two-digit number is 9. So we consider the unit digit as x and tens digit as y. And the two-digit number is 10y plus x. If we interchange the digit, it becomes 10x plus y. Now students, it is very important to understand here, when we are talking about the digits, x and y, they are digits. And the number is 10y plus x. If we interchange the digit, the reverse number is 10x plus y. So we just come to the first statement here. Now sum of a digits of a two-digit number is 9. We are talking about the sum of our digits, means x and y. Their sum is 9. So x plus y is equals to 9. This is the first equation. And also 9 times of this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of a digit. Means 9 times of this number, means 9 times of a two-digit number is 9 times over 10y plus x. It is equals to, is means equals to, twice means 2 times the number obtained by reversing the order of a digit, means 2 times of a 10x plus y. By simplifying this, we will get an equation x is equals to 8y. Now we'll solve first and second equation. These two equations will be solved. I solved this equation by using substitution method. Substitute equation number 2 in 1. By solving that, you get y is equals to 1 and x is equals to 8. So the number will become 18. We can also verify this result. Verification can be done that you know that the sum of a digit is 9. So 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 times of this number means 9 times of 18. It is equals to 2 times of the number obtained by interchanging the digit. So this 18 become 81. You see the left hand side is equals to right hand side. So this verify your question. Let us try another problem. In this problem, the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. So we begin with this problem in the same way. We considering unit digit x, tens digit y, original number is 10y plus x, new number by interchange is 10x plus y. And now we read the statement. The sum of a two-digit number. Now we have to find the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. It means 10x plus y or 10y plus x. This sum is 66. By solving them, we get x plus y is equals to 6. And if you see the second statement here, if the digits of a number differ by 2, it means x and y they are differ by 2. So the second equation we get here, x minus y is equals to 2 or y minus x is equals to 2. So we have a both possibility of cases here. First case x minus y or y minus x is 2. So first we solve 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2, we get x4 and y is equals to 2, and the number will get 10 times of y, 20 plus 4, we get the number 24. So the number we get 24. So when we solve y minus x is equals to 2 with the equation number 3, 1 and 3, when we solve 1 and 3, we get a number 42. So there are two types of a number possible. One is 42 and second is 24. Verification can be done. You see that the sum of these two numbers 42 plus 24 is 66 and the difference of these two numbers is 2. Now let us try some problems on the fraction. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. First we consider numerator x, denominator y, and the fraction becomes x upon y. In the first case, a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator. We have to subtract 1 from the numerator and nothing has been done with the denominator. So y remain as such, it becomes 1 by 3. By cross multiplication we get first equation. Now in the second case, the statement given that when we add 8 to the denominator it becomes 1 by 4. So we'll solve the second by cross multiplication. We get the two equation 1 and 2. By eliminating them, you will find the value of x and y. X is 5 and y is equals to 12. So the fraction become 5 upon 12. If you want to verify, you see that subtract 1 from the numerator. 5 minus 1 you get 4. 4 upon 12 we get 1 by 3. Second case, by adding 8 to the denominator, we get 5 upon 20 which is 1 by 4. This verifies this problem. Let us try another problem. This problem, here in this problem, Yash scored 40 marks in the test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer, 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then the Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Now students, in this case here, we are going to consider two variables. First variable, the number of a question which he has attempted correct, that is x, and the number of a question which he has attempted wrong is y. So let us start here. Then according to the question, now for correct question, in the first case 3 marks will be given, so we get 3x. And for wrong answer 1 marks is subtracted, so 1 into y we get minus 1 into y is equals to 40. Whereas in the second case, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct, we get 4x, and 2 marks deducted minus 2y, the score is 50. So you see here 4x minus 2y is equals to 50. Then we solve them. 1 and 2, you can multiply equation number 1 with the 2. So this 2y can be cancelled. By subtracting, you would able to find x is 15. Substituting x 15 in equation number 1, y is equals to 5. So total number of a question asked in the question which is x plus y, which is 20. Verification can be done. 3 into 15, 3 marks for each correct answer. 15, 45. Losing 1 marks, 5 questions are wrong, we get 40 marks. Let us try this problem here. A student of a class are made to stand in a rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would have been 1 row less. If 3 students are less in a row, there would have been 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. So first of all, you have to identify in the question that what are the things given here and which value to be considered x and y. Number of the students of a class are made to stand in the row. If 3 students are extra in a row, means we are talking about the rows and the number of students in the rows. So two things we are going to consider here. First, the number of students in each row and the number of rows. Let the number of students in each row is x and the number of rows is equals to y. Now students, it is very important to understand here, if in a class there are the 5 rows and in each row there are 7 students. So what are the total number of students in the class? 7 into 5, we have 35. So similarly here, if number of students in each row is x, number of rows are y. So what are the total number of students in the class? It is x into y. So with this statement we are going to mention here, the total number of students in a class is xy. So we'll express this statement into equation form. For this you again have to understand one thing. Suppose there have been 5 rows here, and if I am adding few students in each row, shifting few students from the other rows, and the number of rows will become less. So number of students in the class will remain same. So this thing is very important to understand. So what we are doing here, according to the question, if 3 students are extra in a row, we are adding 3 students x plus 3, and there would have been 1 row less, y minus 1, and it is equals to x into y, means x into y give you total number of students in the class that remain same. By simplifying this, you will get first equation. Similarly, in the second case, 3 students are less in a row, means x minus 3. There would have been 2 rows more, means y plus 2. X minus 3 into y plus 2 is equals to xy. Simplifying that, you get equation number 2. And by simply adding, you can find x and y. X comes to be 9, y is equals to 4. So total number of students in a class is 36. These are some practice questions on number system. Thanks for watching this video.